Hello friends, in this video we will see how to use a slicer in a pivot table. So I have a pivot table here which is a sales of a product over the year, and this pivot table has been created from this sample data table. Now if you click on the pivot table, then go to the ribbon on analyze option, you will see a insert a slicer. So again slicer is just a filter which it makes it faster and easier to filter the tables. So if I click on a insert slicer, it will provide me some information like for which particular field I want a slicer. So in case if I want to have a month slicer, so click on OK. So now I have this filter now with me. I've just put on the right hand side. So in case if I rather going here and filtering it out, I can directly filter on this particular slicer. If I click on February, so it will just filter out the February month data from the pivot table, and as well as the chart will also get updated. Likewise, I can select any of the other month to see my numbers. To unfilter, you have to just click on this clear filter, and it will again come back to the all the months. In case if you want to select multiple months, so first click of any of the month and then press control key, and then you can select multiple by using control and then lift the control key, and then those selected months will appear in the pivot table as well as in the pivot chart. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it.